Hello, my name is Benji, and I'm taking the class Python 3 in summer 2023. My idea. This project was inspired by the game Space Invaders. I was interested in making this game because it has a simple concept and still fun. During class, I learned about Pygame and uploading pictures, sounds, etc. into Python, which I used in my project. I used Pygame to make the whole game be a game and start the game. I also uploaded functions on RepBullet for the player and enemy images as well as the game and sounds. Example, class 1. The first example is class code. It is called Object-Oriented Programming, aka OOP. OOP is the main part of creating Pygame games. The second example is the game loop for Pygame library. It is required to be included in the code for running Pygame games. My favorite part about working on this project was testing out and seeing it actually work. How to improve my project. If I were to continue working on my project, I would add CPU levels ranging from easy to hard, making the enemies try to dodge the incoming lasers, and smoother graphics and design. Thank you.
All right, can you show us the game, please?
Okay.
So this is the game that he created for his final project. And let's run it again.
So you use the two arrow keys on the side to move your spaceship, and if you click the front arrow, it shoots a laser that will destroy the incoming enemies. If you destroy one enemy, then it will pop up, it will instantly delete and you get points. Oh,
Okay.
But if an enemy hits you, then you lose health. You only have 2 healths where you can see at the bottom.
Okay. Is there any sounds to the game?
Yeah, there are sounds.
So if you could, do you know where to turn on the sound?
Not really.
Okay, on the bottom right corner of the game screen, if you check mark that and then run it, it should have sounds for you. No?
No.
Okay, I got it on mine, but you can try to see. I think you have to put
No, it's muted right here.
headphones on or something.
It's muted.
Okay, but
Yes.
that's a great project. It's very fun to play and easy to understand, right?
Yeah.